How to get a free government iPad. Know all steps. As time passes, modern conveniences continue to improve. So now there's a newer, more advanced model of everything. It's also true that the device's price tags reflect the use of more advanced technologies. Does Apple offer free government iPad? No free iPad promos are available through the official Apple online store. However, they frequently offer discounts, particularly to students, and offer lesser equipment, such as AirPods, for free when purchasing Macs or iPad stock, so it doesn't hurt to visit Apple's official website, or go into a local Apple store to inquire about prospective free iPad deals. Any other ways to get a free? There are indeed other ways to get a free iPad. However, these options are often free-ish, which means you will have to pay for some service or commit some time. AT&T, T-Mobile, this type of company can give you eligibility to get free iPad. You need to provide all the documents such as valid ID pass, low income proof, should you qualify ACP program.